Welcome to this course on Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, AZ-900. If you are preparing for Microsoft's Azure Fundamentals exam, this course is right for you. The AZ-900 exam is designed for candidates looking to demonstrate foundational level knowledge of cloud services. The AZ-900 certification is beneficial for both non-technical people and technical people. This course covers various cloud concepts such as the benefits of cloud services, the differences between private, public, and hybrid computing. You will learn the difference between concepts like platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and software as a service. You will also learn the difference between a virtual network or load balancer, and all the concepts which will enable you to clear the AZ-900 exam. So let's move on to our first chapter on this series.